Hello everyone. Welcome to another RLLB. That is Real Life Lemon Boy, where you get a slice of my real life, and you know it's me, because I got the lemon tat. Today, I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. I'm doing a little mini outing adventure. I'm taking you along with me. Gonna do some stuff with the garden back at home. It has been raining every single day just about recently. It's been really hard to get out and have like an outdoor adventure just because it's been constantly raining and storming. All the like good fishing waters are pretty flooded right now. All the trails that I like to hike are like muddy and disgusting and hard to hike through. So I thought, you know what, we're gonna do a little fun outing. I'm actually outside of Goodwill right now. I'm gonna go look around it, see if we can find some fun items. Maybe something I can use, maybe something I just want. I don't know, I'm just out on my own today, doing my thing, and I'll take you along for the ride, and then later I'll show you what's going on with the home garden. So, let's go into a Goodwill. Yeah, that might be a little too extra for me. That is cool, though. Yeah, that's kind of lemon color. I don't really like polos, though, so not for me. Hawaiian shirt, however. Almost all of this is polos. Either they're falling out of fashion or someone's dad just really got rid of a lot of his wardrobe. I think I just found my camping cup. I've really been needing a cup that I can take camping with me. This is metal, and campfires don't start, they get lit. May as well. Also grabbed a flannel. I don't need a flannel. Alrighty. Oh, well, I grabbed those two items I showed you. Now, I want to head off somewhere I've been meaning to go to. Been meaning to check out. And, finally get to it. I have time today. Alright, guys. We've made it to stop number 2 for today. Duluth Trading Company. Never been here. Been meaning to check it out. It is right by Bass Pro Shop, which I love. So, let's go in. I'm also half kind of researching a future project, but you'll see that when it's ready. Whoa, traffic is loud. It's a highway right there. But that wasn't as exciting as I hoped it would be, so that's a shame. Alright, it's been a few days since our little outing. I did get the garden put together. Well, some of it. There's more to be done, but oh well. So here we got our onions planted. Here's our potatoes. Here's the russets. The smaller golden and red potatoes did not work out, I don't think. Oh, in here we got carrots, which are not sprouted, but that's because I planted them directly in the soil. Green beans, sugar snap peas. We got cucumbers. This is also where the broccoli, lettuce, and spinach went. I'm not very hopeful that's going to work out. I think those ones are dead. But the cucumber is growing. We got bell peppers and jalapeno peppers here. We have tomato, and I put something else in with the tomato, and I don't for the life of me remember. This is where all of the herbs are going to be growing out of, and this is where the lemon balm is going to be growing out of. So, yeah. And there's Bobo over there, being a dog. So I will go ahead later this year, we'll do a garden update, show you some more of it as it's grown. But for now, this has been Lemon Boy on another RLLB little mini adventure. We just went out somewhere, showed you a couple of things, showed you the garden a bit. Not too crazy. This is the first day since I went out and recorded previously that it's not raining. It's been raining so much here lately. Constantly. Oh, Bobo bark. Bobo bark. Anyway, thank you for joining me, everyone. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate you hanging out with me for another RLLB. I will be back at you again real soon with another dog. I don't know what we'll do next time. Maybe some fishing, maybe some camping, maybe a little hiking and foraging. We will see. But anyway, until next time, my friends. Bye-bye.